Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make crispy carrot cutlets. This will be crispy outside, soft inside and will taste so good. Now take a mixie jar, add a cup of fried gram and a small piece of ginger. Grind this coarsely. Let us transfer this into a bowl. The flour has to be coarse like this. To this add a cup of grated carrot, 1 chopped onion, 1 or 2 chopped green chillies, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves, few coriander leaves and the required amount of salt. Now give everything a nice mix. Once you have mixed this well, add water little by little and gather everything. The final dough has to be like this. Now let us shape it. Make a small ball out of the dough and flatten it. Repeat the same for rest of the dough. So here everything is ready. We are going to fry this in oil. For frying I am going to use Idayam Mantra groundnut oil. Once oil is hot enough for frying, you can drop the cutlets slowly. One side is ready, let us flip them. You have to fry them until they turn golden brown. The cutlets have turned golden brown, we can take it out now. This will be very crispy outside and will be soft inside. If you want the whole cutlet to be crispy, you can flatten it even more before frying. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.